What's up, peeps? We are well into the summer now. Normally, in the spring, if you are a homeowner, that's your time to do some of your spring cleaning. But I'm going to give you 7 tips to help you do some maintenance on the house now that will hopefully help you save money and get your house back into fighting shape. So let's kick it off with number one. Uh, Obvious one, but you need to improve your landscaping by trimming overgrown plants and laying down a little bit of mulch. You'd be surprised at just how a little bit of landscaping and then putting pops of color with mulch around the front of the house and the back of the house can really bring your yard and the curb appeal back to life. Number two, I would also suggest doing a little bit of power washing on the outside of the home. You can also do that power washing to your driveway and to the patio. You'd be surprised how much dirt and grime just accumulates over time on the outside of the house. Just by power washing, it will bring new life to the property and really show off the color and character of your house. Then number three, that patio furniture, it's probably time to replace it. The sun, the elements, it takes a toll on our patio furniture, and eventually you do need to get rid of it. So begin looking for new deals on Wayfair and at Big Lots and other places like that, and hopefully find patio furniture that's a little more durable, that can weather the storms, literally and figuratively. Number four, consider replacing any and all window screens. Those get beat up over time. Some of that is just normal wear and tear. Some of that is human wear and tear. I would also, as number five, consider inspecting any and all windows, and if need be, recalking them. You can also, as number six, replace your AC filters. And lastly, number seven, please don't forget to clean out your gutters. That is safety hazard, and all kinds of unfortunate things can happen with that. So make sure you take care of those items, something you can do that is good for your budget. And we're in a good part of the year where the weather's nice. Get out there, get a little bit of exercise, get some fresh air, and refresh the house. Peace.